Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel chapter 4 simulation exam. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your simulation exam without any confusion. If you need any help with MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam, simulation training or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's simulation exam and go through it step by step. Question number 1 is select but do not open the sales by employee table. Use the form tool to create a form based on sales by employee table. Basically in this question you will have to create a form based on employee table. This is sales by employee table. Select this. Then you will go to the create tab, then click on the form. Click on form. And our next part is close the form and save the form as sales by employee. First we right click on this, then save sales by employee. Save this the form by name sales by employee, then press OK and close it. The next part is create a split form based on employee info table. Change the title to employee info dash split new and press create a new multiple item form based on the sales by employee table. Change the title to sales by employee dash multiple items and press enter. Form will save automatically. First we select the employee table. You will go to the create tab. Then click on more forms, split form. Click on split form, employee info. Change the title to employee info dash split view and press enter. Create a new multiple items form based on the sales by employee table. Click on more forms, multiple items, sales by employee to sales by employee dash multiple items. The next part is create a navigation form with the horizontal tab layout. First you will go to the create tab, then click on the navigation drop down, then horizontal tabs, add new, add the saved sales by employee form and the employee info form in that order. So the navigation form, click on this and drag into this navigation form. In the navigation form, drag and drop to the navigation form and employee info to this. Question number 1 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is using the split form, change the commission rate for Steve Burton, employee ID 5012 to 0.0325. Use the bottom portion of the form to select the record and the top portion to edit it. Employee ID 5012 to 0.0325. First you will go to the create tab, then click on more forms, multiple forms, in the employee ID commission field, employee ID 5012, this one is 5012 and change the commission rate 0.0325. First we remove this default value and 0.0325. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 3. Our next question is question number 3. With the sales by employee multiple items form open in layout view, reduce the height of the rows so that they are about half of their original height using the first cell containing employee ID 5001 in the form. Close the property sheet if necessary. Basically in this question you will have to reduce the height of the fields. First you can use the mouse cursor. First you will have to select this and drag up to the original height. This, and you can see that the height are adjusted. Change the font size of the employee ID label to 14. Close the property sheet if necessary. You will have to change the font size. You will go to the home tab, then go to the text formatting and select the font size 14 and then close. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is change the layout of the sales by employee form to tabular. Basically in this question you will have to change the layout of the sales by employee form into the tabular format. We have now completed 4 questions out of 8. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.